Weather felt cold today, but this is what it usually feels like as we get into the middle of December. We have not seen much average weather so far this month, so today felt a little extra brisk, even though, again, this is what we typically see going into the middle of the month. Temperatures right now in the upper teens, a few spots in the low 20s, so a brisk night ahead, and with the light breeze that we have across the area, looking at some single-digit wind chills, and that's about what we get going into tonight. Pretty brisk conditions just around the corner. And again, we've seen temperatures closer to the middle 40s, if not to the upper 50s, like last week. Over the first 11 days of the month, usually we're in the middle 30s, so we're just not quite used to this kind of weather yet. Last 3 days, though, so ever since we got into the weekend, temperatures have been a lot closer to average, and that's about where we see ourselves tonight and into tomorrow as we get back to reality, so to speak, as we move forward into the early portion of this week. So for tonight, all the way down to 14 degrees under a partly cloudy sky. Winds do remain light, and they switch from the northwest to the northeast over the course of the night, resulting in some pretty brisk wind chills heading into the morning. In the afternoon, almost right on average at 32 degrees. We'll see a mainly cloudy sky like today, so every so often a couple peaks of sunshine, but for the most part looking at an overcast sky. Winds pick up a little out of the east, 5 to 10 miles per hour. So let's help you plan out the day. You can see in the morning, extra layers needed. Temperatures will be down into the teens to start off the day, and then quickly warming up into the upper 20s, but still looking at wind chills in the single digits to teens all throughout the course of the morning. They do improve, though, later on in the day. You can see, again, we're back into the middle teens by about 10 o'clock. We head into the afternoon looking at the low 20s for the feels-like conditions, so you're almost subtracting about 10 degrees off the air temperature when you factor in the light breeze out of the east. That continues into tomorrow evening, and then tomorrow night, wind chills not quite as harsh. We're hovering around 20, if not down into the upper teens when it comes to the wind chill values going into Wednesday morning, and that is all part of a very slow warming trend that we have ahead as we go into the middle portions of the week. You can see tomorrow we get back to right near average, and then slowly warming up to the point where we may be closer to 10 degrees above average by this weekend. So that's still pretty cool, but it's not quite the brisk conditions that we're seeing as of today. That does mean we go from near freezing tomorrow up to about 40 on Friday, and then we'll stay in the upper 30s going into the weekend. Keep an eye on Friday night into Saturday. Just a slight chance for some wet weather as of right now. First official day of winter next Monday on the winter solstice, up to 41 degrees, so kind of a mild start to official winter. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, conditions will remain mild. They're getting closer to the holidays, but keep an eye on Wednesday into Thursday. Could be seeing some more snow on the horizon in our 10-day forecast. James and Kristen.
Looking forward to that, Alex. Thanks.